Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both tools, install and activate Wpforms and Elementor, and confirm compatibility. Open your Wpforms editor, assign clear field ID and a form CSS class so you can target them. Then in Elementor, add a section and drop the Wpforms widget into it, selecting the specific form you created. This immediately links the form to the page. Once done, make sure the widget and section layout match your desired width and alignment before moving on. Now you apply styling using targeted selectors, so changes affect only this form. Open Elementor's custom CSS panel or the theme customizer and scope rules to the form class you set. Then target individual field ID to change input width, label spacing, and placeholder color. Adjust typography, padding, and margins for visual balance, and style the Submit button with hover and active states. This gives a polished interaction. Be methodical. Tweak one property at a time and preview across breakpoint. Finish by ensuring responsiveness and testing behavior. Preview the form on tablet and mobile, switch fixed widths to percentages, or use media queries so elements reflow properly. Test validation, submission, and the success message appearance. Make sure fonts and colors remain consistent. If styles don't apply, clear caching and regenerate CSS, inspect selector specificity, and temporarily disable plugins or theme CSS that may override your rules. Once fixed, save and test a live submission to confirm everything functions as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.